Hey guys, so today I'll be filming a video on a few of the newest styling products, and I'll do a battle of the styling products. Okay, so for the first section, I'll be using Creme of Nature's Moisture Curl and Hair Milk, and then the Partner's leave-in conditioner to that line. Next, I'll be using Shea Moisture's Red Palm Oil and Coconut Butter leave-in conditioner and the Curl Stretch Pudding. And if you want to see my review on that line, I did an entire video about it, so please check that out. And then lastly, I will be showing you guys how Creme of Nature's Pure Honey line with their leave-in conditioner and their twisting cream, how that works in my hair as well. So keep watching, guys. For the left side of my hair, I'm going to be using Shea Moisture's Palm Oil line. Again, don't forget to watch my review I did on this product. I inserted a short video so you can see a little snippet of it. So for the right side of my hair in the back, I'm going to be using Creme of Nature's Pure Honey line, and this is going to be my first time using these products. A braid out gives you a slightly more elongated look than what a twist out gives, and you're also able to control more of the frizz at the root of your hair if that has been an issue with twist outs. For the top right section, I'll be using Creme of Nature's Coconut Milk line. If I get toward the end of the plait and only have 2 stems of hair left, then I just complete it out with the 2-strand twist. I picked up these little pieces of string from my local beauty supply store. I just wanted to add a little something different to my bantu knots. I always add an oil to my hands to take out any twist or braid out that I'm doing, but I will say that my hair was super moisturized on each of the 3 sections. I didn't have a problem with retaining moisture by using any of the leave-ins or styling products. It was a little different not using a gel on my hair, since I'm used to using a gel when I do any twist out or braid out. Okay, so for my final thoughts, I think Shea Moisture's Palm Oil line definitely won this battle. My hair was moisturized, it had definition even without using a gel. Now for the Pure Honey line, I don't think it really moisturized my hair very well, and I did use this entire line to complete out this wash day, and I just wasn't as excited about this line as I thought I would be. But I do think that it gave me the best initial volume without puffing my roots or anything like that. Now the Cream of Nature coconut line that I used on that top section that I'm working on right now, no, it was complete trash without using a gel. It frizzed up completely after a day to the point where I had to do bantu knots in that front section on the other side as well. But overall, I love the hairstyle. I got a lot of compliments on it. I would love to try it again one day by using definitely a gel and the same styling product on each section so I can get an overall uniform look. Thank you for watching my channel, and I hope that you go ahead and binge watch the rest of my videos. Bye.